Hey y'all, it's Michelle from Monkey's Creations. I still get asked so many times, how do I use the vinyls from Unique in the Creek on the boards? So I figured I would do a little video on how I do them. Y'all, they are so easy. So all you're going to do is literally just take your board. You're going to need a vinyl. You're going to need a wet paper towel. You're going to need a dry paper towel and some kind of squeegee to take over the vinyl to get all of the air bubbles and the water out from under it. Okay, so it's so easy. Just take your wet paper towel, whatever you have, run it across your board. It doesn't need to be soaking wet, but just wet enough. Okay, then all you're going to do is take your vinyl off, just like that. You're going to find the top of your board. So the top of the board is always the two holes that are side by side. This is the character board, okay? So you're going to take your vinyl and you're going to line it up so that it is straight on your board, just like that, and then you can just let it fall. Then you're going to take a dry paper towel and a squeegee. This just happens to be a Mod Podge squeegee, but you can use anything, a credit card, anything that has a straight edge. But just make sure that you wrap it around something so that it doesn't scratch your vinyl. And then all you're going to do is work from the inside out all the way around. So just like this, that way your air bubbles, if you have any, you will be working them out as you bring your squeegee to the outside of the board. Just like that. So we've gone all the way around. I'll just take another portion of the dry towel. Take it all the way around the outside. Just kind of go over it one more time just to make sure that there are no air bubbles. And voila, you have your vinyl now attached to your board, and you can go ahead and start decorating it. Okay, very easy. And I actually did that on the wrong one, but that is okay. This is the rail board from Unique in the Creek, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to use this Proud Military Family vinyl from Unique in the Creek as well. Taking that same wet paper towel, running it all over the board where our vinyl is going to go. Take our vinyl, pull it off, and we're just going to line this one up as well. Now this one, you have to be a little more careful about your placement because you want it to fit on the circle. So y'all know I got to take my glasses off to be able to see. So I'm just going to line it up. And if it's not lined up, you can pull it right back off very easily because it is wet. Let me make sure that I get it. Sometimes I can get these first try. Sometimes I can't. Lay it down. And I can still see my board just a little bit. So I'm going to pull it right back up. Lay it back down, and I think we've got it this time. I cannot see the board, so I'm going to take that same squeegee, that same paper towel, and we're going to do the same exact thing, working from the inside out. And it doesn't need to be hard, but you just want to ensure that you get all of your air bubbles out. just like that. I'm going to find another dry area of my paper towel, and we're going to go around the outside. Just like that. And now you're ready to decorate your rail. So that's all I've got for y'all today. I am going to start doing little videos like this to help, especially those beginners who have never used Unique in the Creek boards before. So I hope you find this interesting and easy. Anybody can do it. You just got to do it, y'all. So have fun with it. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.